Behind there.
One enemy remaining.
114 last one.
Give me that. What's up, guys? If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do, because this video is hilarious and you don't want to miss out on content like this in the future. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, the notifications, and make sure you like. Thank you, and let's continue on with the video.
Bro, I have 25 HP.
Whoa, since you're a
Phoenix.
Just stick it. Nice.
No.
You very field goal again. Good job.
You gotta go, bro.
I'm gonna get kicked.
Watch me forward. Wow, Nation, watch.
I hate you so much.
I can't believe you laughed at that.
I can't either, man.
Yo, is Moses here?
I'm here. I just don't have energy.
How can we
Not
give you
all the
energy
actual-
weapons? What if we tickle you?
Yeah, but we don't need you. You're amazing.
Touch me, I'll snap your thin neck.
True.
He grabs you like Thanos. Takes the AirPod out your ear.
Not the AirPod.
Not my drip. Silencio. I don't know why I made this noise. I'm sincerely sorry. I like... No, look at this one. What? Did you just turn into one of Five Nights at Freddy's animatronics? What the fuck? Holy shit.
How did you not kill him? What the fuck?
Dude, you gave him a 2 on the sides and 5 on top. What the fuck? You gave him a quarantine. You gave him a quarantine cut.
No, look at the tongue.
Damn, the tongue on that. Oh, shit. The tongue literally looks like a tongue.
I wish I had a voodoo doll of Nathan so I could tickle his bumhole. I'm trying to clutch. Dude, deadass. Moses has the best shoes in the game, bro. I'm not even kidding.
Thank you.
I'm actually jealous. Like, if I could be, if I could be you one day, I would just sheesh all day long, and probably shower and shave my balls and shave my face.
I listen, bro.
You know what's funny? I was laughing, and right when it dropped, I instantly pulled the face.
You're
gross. You're gross. You're fucking gross, bro.
Like, I was
You're
stuck in that
disgusting.
position until the song was over. Like,
It's just better, man.
I can't hear shit. That's why.
There you go. Did you hear it?
In the wild, fire means life.
That was
You are
terrible.
our fire.
They have vandals now. Uh-oh.
Nani!
Bro, you suck.
I'm sorry.
Moses, you.
No, I feel bad. Yo, I'm sorry, dude. I thought he was gonna be toxic.
Come on, he's being nice, man. You're just a pile of shit.
Something's gonna happen to you later on, Moses.
A
It's
fire
already
truck's
happened.
gonna land on him.
I got fucking bronze too, dickhead.
That's above you.
One enemy remaining.
Above you. Oh, what?
Bitch!
I know how.
What's up, kitten?
Yo. What's up?
One enemy remaining.
I'm gonna be honest, I actually didn't even remember we were on Spike Rush.
I'll be
Yeah, 'cause
honest,
your brain
actually,
is smaller than a
figured it.
string bean.
String bean? You are a string bean, what the fuck? You have the posture of a candy cane, Moses.
Let's have some fun, yeah?
Scottish.
I've been editing a clip of you in Discord where I made you howl.
Maybe what? Oh my god.
It's gonna ruin your career, bro.
Dude, my career's over. Should I retweet it? wait. Simple. I've got a penguin bar joke for you, mate. Why are penguins good racing car drivers?
This is gonna be good. This is gonna be so good.
Because they are always in pole position.
It's okay, I still love
Can
you.
someone assist my bumhole, please?
How did I not get that weapon?
You're gay.
Damn right I am.
What?
Make out with me, baby.
So gay. I love it.
You said it like a rat in the cupboard.
You sound like Pierre. You sound like the guy that goes, Michael Jackson in the forest. Bro, you pre-fired before the game released. Is there a car crash outside? Oi, put down my gun, Habibi.
Spike down.
Plant the bomb, crumbs.
I'm scared.
No, you're good. Daddy James is here. Okay, never mind.
You look at me, you're gay. Damn.
Put up the.
Allah!
You've ruined the perfect imposter win.
What? Yellow container. Yellow container. Yellow
Yo,
container.
James, that flick looked like you had hacked for a second. Low-key.
She's
Yep, Jim.
lit. She's lit 120. Nice.
I don't want to play with it. Who wants a dirty Sanchez? Raise your hand.
I don't know what that means.
that?
That sounds hot. Give me it.
It's where you rub shit across someone's upper lip.
Ugh. Ugh.
I want that.
We're heading to the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back.
He's gonna go do a dirty Sanchez.
Do you guys know Jeff uses stairs to climb into bed?
Shut up.
I actually can't wait for summer, deadass. Show off my summer body on the beach. You know? I'm gonna be one of the umbrellas, like.
You look like a cheese string on the beach.
They're gonna have to like jam me down the ground like an umbrella, bro.
He's gonna fly away.
Nathan, Bobby just said it. Nathan's farts sound like a deck of cards being bent.
That's the most accurate thing I've ever heard in my life. What the fuck?
Jeff goes out into random forests and eases down onto mushroom.
Every
Why,
time he's
Jeff?
down to one.
They're here.
Where's he?
Rotate.
Oh, they think they can kill me, mate.
You probably can.
No.
If you let it happen.
Oh.
How the fuck do I get out of
Yeah, James?
here? Stuns and like a whirlpool that pulls everyone that's in the area into like a thing and they become an actual.
He just
Yeah.
started snoring.
Come down here. Yo.
Shoot him, man. Holy shit.
Can you
Oh my
stop
God,
fire
fire
locking me?
squad down
Holy
there, bro.
shit.
Oh my god, get
Spike
absolutely
down.
fucked.
B.
Man.
One enemy remaining.
Oh my God!
Is Wozen's watching mid when they're all.
He's done. Watch this, he's gonna get jump scared, mate. Get fucked, boy. Get fucked, boy.
Chrome, with one single sound, I'll put your house upside down.
Oh my god.
Alright, Denmark, kiss me. You kissed my coochie, bro.
Oh, for real.
Saw Jet.
Are you kidding me? Oh my God.
Wow, that
They're all up
office.
here. They're all up here, dude. I don't want to peek it though.
Man, I can't do shit.
Rotate. Fake rotate.
Nice.
Or not?
She's there. I can do
Go
shit.
on,
else.
James.
Spike down A. Last player standing.
exactly where you are.
You got it.
Fuck! I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh, behind you, dude.
Big check.
So we're gonna lose this one, huh?
Yeah.
Jeff,
Who do we
come
blame?
here.
Who do we
Jeff,
blame?
Jeff,
Oh, I know who
Jeff,
we're blaming.
Jeff, come here. Jeff, come here.
Why do you have 4 kills? Hey guys, I just want to say thank you for watching the entire video. That is honestly amazing to me. Thank you a lot. I just wanted to promote real quick that I have a Discord and a Twitch. Also, you know, Twitch, been streaming on there here and there. So, you know, come on over if you want to come see different games I play, stuff like that. But hey, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I really do appreciate that. I hope you all have a blessed day and take care of yourselves. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Bye.